Larry Mandelberg here with your Business Suicide Prevention Minute, and today's topic is how to make value statements valuable. A very smart, very successful senior executive once challenged me on the benefits of business values. He asked, how can we possibly teach all our staff what they mean and how to apply them consistently that actually makes a difference? I said, the best way to ensure everyone understands and is guided by your values is by sharing stories that explain how and when they made a difference. Value statements are the containers for the stories that demonstrate strength and quality to your people and the outside world. Does your company share stories that demonstrate its values? Are you leveraging your competitive advantages through values-focused stories with your staff and your customers? I'd like to hear from you. Please share your stories with me at lmandelberg.biz in my Mandel blog, where you'll find many stories about business success and sustainability.